Alright, so as we discussed, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional and working dashboard like Triple Wheel with only one prompt using Pencil. As you can see, I give it a very simple and clear prompt. Create me a web app where I'm able to track my revenue from Shopify stores and deduct my ad spend similar to Triple Wheel. And after working for a couple of minutes, it has generated this design. But this design standalone has no actual features, or it can't do anything. It's just mock-up text. So what I did was the following. I connected my codex to it, and here it is. And I asked it if he can pull my pencil design, and I gave the name of my pencil design right here. And I wanted it to add the functionalities it is supposed to have. Then it's made the first functionalities, we did the second functionalities, and it kept on building. And so from one single prompt, you're able to get a fully functional, let me just open it up right here, dashboard where you can track your revenue, track your ad spend, and have a alternative to Triple Wheel. And the design is really good. It's really clean. You can filter on stores, you can filter on days, you can export it as a CSV, fully functional. You're able to see your revenue, you're able to see your ad spend, and you got the settings. You can change your default view, and this is how you can turn a single prompt into a working software as a service. This is just a small and a simple example, but let's say for example you're quickly looking to build and launch a marketing website that looks pretty decent, looks pretty good, and doesn't look like all these standard AI websites. This is like a really good app that you can use to push your designs to life, to get your designs live really quickly, and by connecting it to Codex. So what's very important is the following. In your codex, you're going to press settings, and then you're going to head into your MCP servers. And it's very important that you have a custom server setup using Pencil. If you use Cloud Code, the process is pretty similar. But by this way, you're able to get this design to life. So that's the short breakdown on how you can create a fully functional desk web app using Codex and using Pencil.